What's up, YouTube? So I've been extremely busy this entire week. I worked over 14 hours, you know, from Wednesday to Friday, and then I had to work Saturday also. So when that happens, normally on Sunday is when I get to do my maintenance on my trucks. So today we're gonna go change the oil on one of my dump trucks. So let's go get after it.
I got a big bad motor and you know it's a mean machine. You know I keep it running and I keep it running clean.
So I don't know why I always do this, but I like to play a game with my truck and my gas to see how far I can go without any gas. And as you can see right now, it is below the line. So I got some fuel.
Keep it running clean. Rock steady, yeah. Rock steady, yeah. Put the pedal to the metal and the tires scream. Leave the smell of burning rubber and gasoline, yeah. Rock steady, rock steady.
Let's change some oil. My dad was kind enough to drain the oil before I got here. Now that we removed the filter, the oil filter came out right off of here. Right underneath there. That's where the oil filter was at. So now we're just gonna put the new one back on there. And there it is. The new oil filter. So now that's done, then we just add the oil. Also, what we're gonna do is we're gonna remove one of these fill filters right here. I normally change them out every time I change my oil. I'll change this one and this one up here. And so yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and take this off, and we'll swap it out for the new one. So I was changing it, and if y'all saw there, when I was changing it, I started to pour some of the diesel that's in this old one, except later on it starts turning black, just like that, because that's all the nasty stuff. But on the top, you got pretty clean diesel. So what I normally do is I let the diesel go in there just to kind of prime it up. That way, whenever you're going to start your truck, it doesn't have air in it, so it doesn't keep like turning off on you and whatnot. But yeah, that's it. Got the new one in there, and now we're gonna go ahead and start it up. There it is. It started, as you can tell in the beginning, it kind of started getting some air. So you just got to give it some gas and get that air out of there so that fuel will start flowing through. And yeah, after that, you're good and you're set to go. So she's ready to go. So I just finished the oil change on my truck, thanks to my dad's help, as always. I'm about to roll out, but I just want to say thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the video, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button and share the video. I appreciate you guys, and until next time, keep on trucking.